Hi people, we will now discuss the whole information regarding the YouTube. YouTube is online platform, video platform. You can upload your video. People invest on ads. Your videos will play, and if your videos will be monetized, you will be getting paid. What is monetization? Monetization is the basic criteria. If you follow the criteria, your channel will be monetized. In other words, monetization is equal to earning money. What is the requirement for the monetization? If you get 1,000 followers or subscribers, in the YouTube language we call the followers subscribers. If you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, if your video will be liked by people, they will be watching your videos and you will get 4,000 hours. Once you create or complete your requirement, YouTube will let you know you are new now to open on monetization form, and you will fill it and you will be get paid. So this is introduction of YouTube, how YouTube works and how YouTube will pay you. This is the great thing, creating a income stream. YouTube is give you the financial freedom. As you know, YouTube is now booming for the last 10 to 20 years. Okay, for the first section is as you can see the YouTube logo here, and the three lines here: home, shorts, subscriptions, your channel history. If you're watching the videos, you will get the watched history here. Playlist, your videos, watch later, liked videos. These three sections are important, and these two also important sections. If you want to save any video, if you want to watch any videos on course about learning different skills or communication, you will check them and you can save then watch later or like videos. Over every month, YouTube is managing and upgrading their systems to be more more attractive and more operatable. Okay, over the first box you will search anything in here. If I search for crypto arbitrage, you will get all information by from crypto arbitrage. Okay, this all information regarding crypto will show in here. If you will go back and open this video, for example, I will hover my mouse here, video will be played for the dimension of the thumbnail here, and if I click on this video, it will be showing. So as you can see, this video is not played. First playing the video is ad. This ad will be very important thing for you, because this ad will have money. After monetization, this ad will pay you a lot of money. And for example, I am clicking the video accordingly. So as you can see, the plain video and crypto information, you will get everything about crypto. So it's you will search anything in here and you will get all information in here. We will go back and explore other things. So first of all, if you want to earn money, you will have to work on your own YouTube channel. So if you will create your own channel and you will create your own videos, like these people are working on YouTube, they are playing their videos and they are working on their videos and uploading the videos on these their own YouTube channels. For example, these people are working on their YouTube channels and they're working and uploading the videos on. So as you can see, if this lady is working in this video and the name is Saira Hayati, it is being viewed by people, 22,000 people in one day. So this is important thing. If 22,000 people are watching for the last 24 hours, it will be she will be paid accordingly. If many people are watching 43,000 for the last 2 days, 17 million views 2 weeks ago. So if your views are getting high, you will earning a lot of money accordingly. All people are working on it. So you can also work on your own YouTube channel and you can upload the video and by clicking this option, this icon here, you will open this section here and you can upload your video and create your own YouTube channel. If I am opening my own YouTube channel, you will go in here, my this YouTube channel named Softimate, and I'm working now on this channel because it's a very um, new channel. I'm working on it. So for example, I'm here explaining the Audacity. This is a music editing software and sound editing software. I'm giving the information to people how basically they can learn this skill and they work their own music or sound categories and work. So for example, I am uploading my own YouTube videos in here, and once my videos will be monetized, I will be paid accordingly. So these all people are working on YouTube. So for example, you are going to start a YouTube channel. First, the most important thing is what the um, information you will give to the rest of the world, what you will do on YouTube. That is called the niche area or niche topic for this your YouTube channel. You will be part of that video. If you are going to educate people in the finance, if you are going to educate people accordingly, for example, if you are teacher of English literature, you will teach English, and you can also teach software information if you are software engineer. If you are computer scientist, you will teach people how software and computer things work, and you will be appreciated by YouTube if you will work consistently, and you will be paid accordingly. Thank you very much. This is the first introduction of YouTube. Um, if you want to make your income stream in 2025, it's coming up 2 to 3 months procedure. So thank you very much for being the part of this video, and like and subscribe my channel. I want also appreciation from you guys. Thank you very much. Greatness.